Hi guys, welcome to codeartisanlab. This is 10th video for our employee record management system in Laravel, and in this video we will perform update and delete functionality in the employee master. Okay, so let's start to do this. So I will go to the employee record folder. I will go to the views, there is resources views and employees, and I will edit this. Okay. Now I will also open the create.blade.php because we have a fields in this page. So I will copy this all and paste it in edit page. Okay. So now we will just update the title, update, and here we will update, and this will go to the view all. This is fine, and this will be the data ID. Okay. We will pass the data from our controller. So let's go to the controller, app, HTTP controller, and employee controller. Here we need two things. First we need a data of department, and then we also need the data of employee, that particular employee. So here you can say departs. Okay, and here you can say data equal to employee, and we will find this data, dollar ID. Okay, and then we will pass this data to the page. So return view, and here we will pass the data employee, edit, and this will be departs, and then next one is dollar data. Okay, so in the form, what we need to do in the form, we need to prefetch the data. So here we will see how we can select this value. So what I will do, if okay, one thing more, we need to change this departs, not department. Oh, fine. Now here you can see that how we can select the value, how we can show the selected value. So depart id if depart id equal to dollar data department id, then what we will do, we will just put selected and if. Okay, and in this full name we will put the value. So dollar data full name. Okay, same as go to the uh, okay, so for the photo we will do the different thing. Okay, here we have, so this will be mobile, and this will be address. So what we need to do for photo, and actually we need also need to do the radio button also. So we will go to the if, and here we will say if status. So what we will need to do, I will say if data status equal to 0 1, status equal to 1, then it will be checked, and if. And similarly we will do this for radio button 0. Okay, so activate. Now what we need to do for the photo, well, first of all we need to show the photo. Okay, so images resource. Okay, I'll go to the folder, and here in the public you have a images, and in this we have a photos. Okay, one thing more, we don't when we are uploading this, we are not adding the dot, but we are just only getting the extension. We need to get the dot here. So dot. Okay, and we need to delete the all data first. I'll go to the page my admin because we have added the wrong data. So I will go to the employee record, and I'll go to the employees, and I will delete this. Okay, so fine. Now, so what we have done, we have created the form. Okay, now we are here. So I will define the width equal to 200 pixels, you say, and in the source I will define asset. This will automatically find the path whatever we define, public images slash, and this will be data image, data photo. Okay, so first of all we need to add new data. So let's add the department and let's say John, and the photo is, this is the photo, and address is something address, mobile number is something. Okay, and let's say submit. So we have a view all, and in the view all, let's one before edit the form we will show the photo also. So here we will show the photo. Okay, and after the full we will show the photo. So full name here we have, and I'll copy from this copy image, and here I will save this. So what I will do, I will just remove the, I will just decrease the width. So refresh the page. So property photo does not exist. What is the name of this? Okay, actually we need to call this D. Fine. Okay, so we have a photo. Now when we click on this update, then we will go to the update, but we need to change the route for this employee, and we will change this for this and for delete also. Refresh the page. So when we click on the update, we are now in the update, and here you can see that we have all selected the things. Let's save this data, but we can't save because we have not added the functionality for this. So what I will do, I will copy this all, and go to the update and paste it in. Okay. Okay, so this photo will go in condition. Suppose user not select the photo, then what we will do, we will check if request has file, if request has file photo, then we will do this functionality. Else what we will do, see here carefully, else what we will do, first we'll paste this, and in the else condition we need the rename photo. So here we will from the form we will pass the previous photo name. Okay, so we need to get this previous name, so I will create a hidden field, input type hidden, and name equal to previous photo, and value equal to dollar data photo. Okay, so this will work like this. Okay, now refresh the page, and let's say activate and submit the data. The post method, okay, we need to change the method because we are updating the data, so we need to change the method. So method is now put. Okay, so I will refresh the page, and here we have activate this. So photo field is required, it is saying that photo field is required. So what we will do here, we will remove this thing, we will remove this. Okay, refresh the page and activate submit. So data has been updated, but it is redirected on the create page because we didn't actually we defined the, we copied the from the create functionality so that it is showing. We need to pass the $id and then edit, then it will show. So I'll go to the view all, I'll go to the, actually we have created the data, we need to update the data. Fine, $id. Fine. Okay, let's create the destroy functionality also so that we can delete the data. I will copy from the department controller. So I will copy this. Once you make the flow in the Laravel, then there is very easy to work in this. Okay, so just understand the basic things, how it works. Now we have refreshed the page and we can delete the data. Delete, delete, and let's add new data. So John, photo, and address, and mobile number, submit. View all, update, activate, submit. So data has been submitted. Refresh the page, and when we go to the update, okay, so it is not showing the status according to that. Refresh the page, status has 1, and where the edit form, so we will go to the edit. So if dollar data status equal to 1, then this will be checked. So this should be string, I think. I will remove this checked from checked. Actually we just need to remove this check because we don't need the default thing in the edit form. Okay, so we have created the update and delete functionality in this video. Let's create the show functionality also. So I will copy this edit form, and I have show the data. Here we have, I will paste it here simply. Let's say view employee, view employee, and here we have a view employee. We are fine, we are fine. We just need to show this department. So what I will do, I just need this data, so I can get this from the data with the relation department title. Okay, and let's show the full name also. Full name, upload photo. Okay, we don't need to remove all the things, we just remove to image. Okay, and here it will be address, and here is a mobile number. Okay, if data is this, then we will say activated, we will say activated, and if and if data is, okay, we can add the else condition here, so we can say deactivated. We don't need this submit button. Okay, so we are now showing the single data. So let's go to the show, and it is saying nothing because we don't set the things in the show. So what need to do, I will copy from the this. So it will be employee, and this will be employee. Sorry, refresh the page. So we have data now. So view all, and we have created the CRUD functionality for employee. We have created the CRUD functionality for a department. We have defined the relationship between the employee and the department. Now in the next video we will work on the dashboard, and we will attach the chart.js and database data chart.js, and I will fetch the data from the database and show in the graph. Okay, so I will do these things in the next video. Okay, we will remove also these links and all the things. So this is just a small series that how you can work, how you can create a CRUD in the Laravel, because this is a basic things. In the upcoming videos we will create more advanced things in Laravel. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel, like this video, share this video, comment on this video, and add your thoughts. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.